Cinema halls have started to operate at full swing. Some of us are very much excited to go to the movie halls, some of us are anxious, and many of us have even booked our movie dates.
Cinemas have been an integral part of our entertainment sector. Yet, 2020 exposed us to the world of OTT platforms, which are time friendly, cost friendly, as well as loaded with lots of amazing content. Although the vaccine drive has commenced, still many people avoid going outside. So, do your conversation with your friends end up like this?
Oh my god, I need a break. I really need to chill out. What say?
Yeah, absolutely. The weekend is coming. Let's go for a movie. What's
For
it?
a movie?
Yeah.
Give me an idea that we can work on. Don't give me unconventional ideas. I mean, don't you know that we have 100% occupancy of seats in theaters now? And next thing is I have Netflix. I can watch thousands of movies, different type of movies by paying for one thing.
Come on, Ankita. Stop being so lame and boring. They do not know about putting on a mask, sanitizing your hands, and they also even check our body temperatures at every point. What's the big deal?
Well, the big deal is that I have an elderly woman, my grandmother staying with me, who is extremely vulnerable to COVID. And next is my parents may or may not allow me to go to a crowded place like a movie hall. So I hope you understand.
Now, given these factors, the question is, will there be immediate acceptance on the opening of cinema halls post lockdown?
We conducted a short survey where we asked a bunch of people about their take on the recent decision taken by the government to open the cinema halls at 100% occupancy. The first question we asked was whether the decision was necessary and valid.
Halls, I think it's very fishy. I don't know why they opened the cinema halls. I think they shouldn't have because the current given situation.
No, I don't think so. It's necessary.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वैलिड हो सकता है मेरे मतलब मैं जैसे मिस कर रहा हूँ कहते हैं बड़ी स्क्रीन पे मूवी देखना जो डिज़र्व करती हैं मूवीज़ बड़ी स्क्रीन पे देखना तो हाँ वैलिड है अगर सब कुछ कंट्रोल में है.
According to a survey, 37.5% people felt that the decision is absolutely necessary and valid, whereas 30% people felt that the government could have waited.
When asked what safety measure do they want cinema halls to implement, that's what people said.
The halls should provide masks along with sanitizing facilities. After every screen, there should be proper sanitizing. So, with 50% attendance and regular sanitization, I think they can go forward.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो गवर्नमेंट पहले लिया था कि 50% ऑक्यूपेंसी होगी और आफ्टर एवरी शो सैनिटाइज होना चाहिए हर एक चीज़ सैनिटाइज होनी चाहिए और मास्क सबके प्रॉपरली सबने मास्क पहने होने चाहिए उससे पहले टेम्परेचर चेक होना चाहिए अगर किसी को सिम्टम्स है तो एंटर नहीं करने देना चाहिए.
First of all, I won't go to a cinema hall, right? Because given the situation, but if I have to, I would say there should be at least 6 feet difference between people. But again, everybody should wear masks, sanitize, right? Temperature checks that we all are doing right now. But I don't think that makes a difference.
Maximum number of people wanted to have sitting gaps between two people. It was followed by wearing masks and applying sanitizers regularly.
The third question we asked was what precautions and safety measures would people take on their own if they ever go to a cinema hall to watch a movie?
Sanitization, social distancing, and the wearing of proper masks. There should be distance within the seating arrangement, and the food counters, and the cleanliness in washrooms.
According to our survey, 66% people told us that they would take all the necessary precautions, whereas 41% people felt that it is not dangerous anymore.
Then we asked a tricky question to the people whether they will choose OTT platforms over cinema halls.
Personally, I wouldn't because still the pandemic has not gone.
Right.
So I would prefer to stay at home and I can take the convenience of OTT platforms to watch films.
These devices affect the mental and the physical health. Of course, we know the issues we have faced in these times. We had several complaints in the institute also that the screen time has increased. So the time spent upon TVs and the laptops is not good enough, I think so, because the screen that is placed in front of you in the cinema hall is a distant place. Right. So you can easily see the movies without affecting your health.
Over 32% of people said yes, they will choose OTT platforms. And 33% of people said no. However, there was a good and decent 35% of people that were in the middle of both. Of course, you will not enjoy a movie without a big can of cola and a big bucket of popcorns. However, have things changed post COVID?
I would try to avoid it, but it depends on the situation. Okay, so as you know, the decision taken by the
In the given situation, I won't go to a cinema hall, but if I go, I will buy the food. If I'm taking the risk, I'll take the whole risk.
You'll buy?
An astonishing 69% of people did not want to buy anything from the cafeteria, and 31% did want to buy it.
The last question we asked the people was how likely were they to go to a movie hall at 100% occupancy?
With 100% occupancy, it won't be the big yes from my side. Occupancy.
No, that is wrong.
That is wrong.
Should be 50%.
If the government is taking all the precautions, then I'll go.
No, I won't. Thank you so much.
According to our survey, 79% of the people said that they would absolutely go to a movie hall, whereas 21% of the lot said that they would completely avoid going to the movie hall at full occupancy. So by now, you all must have understood the trend that is going to be in the coming times. And remember, it is your personal choice whether you want to go to a cinema hall to watch a movie or you just don't want to. We should all respect the government's decision and follow all the safety standards to keep yourself as well as others around you safe and healthy.